Now the next topic from unit number 6 is the data scientist roles and responsibility. We need to know the most deep knowledge of the specific role and responsibilities of the data scientist. The data scientist life cycles we already discussed in the previous unit, which give the high levels overview of the data scientist discovery and analysis process. Okay, so it is depict the interactive behavior of work performed by the data scientist, which several stages being repetitive in order to make the sure that the data scientist is utilizing the right analytical models to locate the right insight. So these are the responsibilities is drawn here, that is the discovery, data presentations, model planning, model buildings, operationalize, communicate results. So step by step we will go through it in the details. What are the responsibilities or responsibilities of data scientists? So first one is the discovery. Discovery is a complete understanding of the business process and the business domain. It this consists of the recognitions, the key matrices against which the business users will measure the success. Discovery recognizing the most vital business questions and the business decisions that the business users are attempting to answer. It's a support of target business process. This also should contains the occurrence and optimal timelines of those answers and decisions. It should be noticed that understanding into which product or operational environment the analytic insight requires to be published in a somewhat that should be recognized in analytics development plans. Such informations will be the essential as the data scientists recognize in the plan where the operationalize the analytics inside the model. This is the best opportunity for tight associations with the BI, that is a business intelligence analysis, who likely has already defined the matrices and the process required to support the business proposed requirements and the decisions making environment of the business users can well understand by the business intelligence analysis to start the data scientist analysis development plan. In the under this discovery, again the evaluating available resources are going through the process of framing the business problems as an analytical hypothesis. At this stage, the data scientists construct the initial analytical development plans that will be used to direct the document, the resulting analytics models, and the insight. So, discovery in the discovery, the data analysis detail for detailed analysis or the detailed requirements reports will be generated. In the next one is the data presentations preparations. In this phase, the provisions as analytical workspace or an analytical constraints, sandbox where the data scientist can work free of the constraints of a production data warehouse environment. Preferably, the analytical environment is a setup such that it data scientists can self provision as much data space and analytical horsepower as required and can fine tune those requirements throughout the analysis process. This data preparations, obtaining, cleaning, aligning, and examining the data. This contains use of the data visualizations techniques and tools to get the understanding of data, recognizing the outlier in the data, and calculating the gaps in the data to decide the overall data quality, determine if the data is good enough. Transforming and enhancing the data scientists will look to use the analytic techniques such as algorithms and wavelet transformations to sort out the potential skimming in the data. And the data scientists will also look to use the data enhancement techniques to create the new composite matrices such as frequency, resentences, and the order. Third one is the model planning. In the model planning, determine the numerous analytical models, methods, techniques, and workflow to discover as a part of the analytical model development. The data scientist knows in advance at which of the analytical models and the methods are suitable, but it is good things to plan to check at least one or two sure that the opportunity to make a build predictive models is not missed. Fourth one is the model building and model building, manipulating the data set for testing, training, and productions. Whatever new transformation techniques and develop can be tested to observe if the quality, reliability, and predictive capability of the data can be enhanced or not. In this phase, again, the calculating the feasibility and the reliability of data to use in the predictive model decisions calls are depends on the quality and reliability of data to check is data good enough to be used to developing that analytical model. And in model building stage is highly interactive steps where the manipulations of the data, calculating the reliability of data and determining the quality and the predictive powers of the analytical model will be modified a number of times. Next one is the communication results. uh, Next one is the communications results. Determined in this phase, determining the quality and reliability of analytical models and statistical implications, ability of measuring and taking the actions of the resulting analytical insight. The data scientist wants to make sure that the analytical process and models was successful and accomplished the required analytical goals of the project. To communicate with the insight of the analytical models, results, and the suggestions refers to use the graphical and the chart. And the last one is the operationalize, providing the final suggestions, report, meeting, code, and technical documents. Optionally, running pilot or analytical labs to validate the business case, the financial returns or the investment, and analytics labs. It is in this phase the carrying out the analytical models in the productions and operational environment, uh, and this combining the analytical scores into the management dashboards and operational reporting systems like sales systems, procurement systems, and the financial system, etc. And this operationalized stage is another area where the association between the data scientist and business intelligence analysis should be very useful. And numerous business intelligence analysis have the experience of combining the reports and the dashboards into the operational systems, as well as the establishing the centers of excellence to spread analytical learnings and skills across the organizations. So these are the different responsibilities of the data scientist, and through the thorough knowledge of all these phases is knowledge of the particular all these phases is required. It's a responsibility of data scientists to have required, and decisions making environment of the business users can also be the understand by the data scientist to start a data scientist analytics development plan. And such informations will be essential as the scientist recognize in the plans where the operationalized data analysis inside the model. And this is the best opportunity for tight associations with the business intelligence analysis who likely have already defined their matrices and process required to support the business reports. And after the completed the data scientist wants to feel the comfortable enough with the quality and property of the data to move ahead to the next stage of the analytics development process. And data scientists may be successful maybe many times in the testing different variables and modeling techniques before developing into the right ones. And the the optionally running a pilot or analytical lab is to validate the business case and the financial returns on the investment. And obtaining last one, but the data scientist responsibilities is to increase the business revenue of any organizations.